This isn't simply another hypercar, but rather the future of hypercars, a vehicle designed, engineered, and unleashed onto the road with unprecedented precision and performance. Meet the Czinger 21C, a vehicle that feels like it was crafted from the future, possessing advanced technology that exists in our world today. Upon first observation, the Czinger 21C captivates you with its aggressive aesthetic, featuring sharp lines and sharp curves, whose purpose is entirely focused on delivering peak performance. However, closer inspection reveals something truly astounding. Many of its components are made from 3D printed materials, thanks to the use of advanced AI-driven design tools. This means that the vehicle is not only meticulously designed by human hands, but also actively co-created with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Now let's delve into the world of power, where the true essence of this extraordinary vehicle shines through. At the heart of the Czinger 21C lies a cutting-edge hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine, combined with two electric motors, producing a potent surge of over 1,200 horsepower. This beast is ready to challenge the very limits of what traditional automotive engineering can achieve. The Czinger 21C's exhilarating performance is backed by unbeatable speed when it comes to acceleration. From a standstill, it roars to a top speed of around 430 kilometers per hour in just a frenzied 1.9 seconds. However, this remarkable blend of power, speed, and agility is only one part of what sets the Czinger 21C apart. Its groundbreaking driver-focused layout places you in a unique, immersive position. Instead of traditional seating, you sit comfortably in a futuristic fighter jet tandem design, both drivers riding side by side. This unique setup offers a thrilling experience that transcends the realm of mere driving. It feels more like participating in an awe-inspiring race against time as you begin to explore circuits. The dynamic aerodynamic features of the Czinger 21C not only react to your touch but also adapt in real time to fit your driving style. With unmatched precision, the car gripped the asphalt like a second skin, slicing sharp corners flawlessly. To put this marvelous machine to the test, we must ask ourselves, is this truly the future of hypercars? A world where cutting-edge AI designs machine elements, where 3D printing takes the place of traditional manufacturing, where the concept of performance is no longer bound by the limitless imagination of just a single human. As we ponder this question, we must acknowledge that the Czinger 21C is more than just a car. With its groundbreaking design, it represents a culmination of technological innovation